My name is Ricardo Schneider. I'm a head of Danfoss Turbocor. And we are very excited to be part of the show, to reconnect with the people that are working to decarbonize the industries, decarbonize cities. And in Danfoss Turbocor, we are very proud to be a key component to help to reduce energy consumption in commercial buildings, data centers, and we are very focused also to our mission of sustainability. Another key element for sustainability is not only energy efficiency, but is how we can reduce carbon footprint of our products. Turbocor has been designed and born with the ESG, in my opinion, because we have a very small material content. We have 1/3 of the CO2 equivalent comparing with the screws. If chiller manufacturers are looking to produce chillers with a lower carbon footprint, is the logical way to look from an energy efficiency point of view, Turbocor, but also from a CO2 content. And by the way, our factory that we are just expanding in Tallahassee, our factory is powered by 50% coming from a solar farm. And we have a goal to a full renewable energies, looking forward to make sure that product, processes, and efficiency will give us to the level of sustainability that we all need.